makes sense.
Looking at the Ben pyramid, the first reaction has got to be why? I mean, why did they change the angle? Why is it bent at the top? Is it some massive mistake, or was it designed like this?
If they had continued at their original angle, they'd have produced an immense building, taller than anything that would be seen on Earth for around the next 4,000 years. But the builders